I'm in Val Genova. It's a national park, I believe, in the Italian Alps. I've come here to take a picture of some of the waterfalls. There's at least 2, maybe 3 spectacular waterfalls. So I thought I'd come here and take some photos. The first waterfall I came to was just beside the road. It was called Nardis Waterfall. In fact, it's more like a stream going down a steep rocky hillside rather than a waterfall going over a cliff. But in saying that, it was still very impressive. I wanted to get close up to the bottom of the waterfall so I could take a picture looking sort of straight up to try and give an impression of the size of it. But the closer I got, the spray kept coming up onto the camera. And as you can see in this video, even the video camera was getting covered in water, so I couldn't take a photograph. I moved a bit further away to try and get a better composition without the water on the camera. But I couldn't find any good shots, so I decided to pack up my things and hike out to the next waterfall. I followed a stream along the valley, and the water was almost a white colour, and I believe this is from the glaciers at the top of the mountain. The next waterfall I was trying to get to was called Lares Waterfall. It was on the other side of the valley from where I was before. It wasn't as easy to get to as the first one. You had to hike up the mountain a good fair bit, I would say at least a couple miles. But it was a really, really interesting hike. The trail led up from the valley of the mountain and started going uphill, sort of following one of the tributary streams going into it. Every once in a while you would have had a bridge going across the stream. It started getting steeper and steeper. I started hearing the roaring of the waterfall, and then I finally came through a clearing and I saw it. Lares Waterfall at the very top. Have a look behind me. You've got all the the spray filling the waterfall. But as before, I couldn't take a photo of it because the spray was just too bad. If I would have taken my camera out, it would have been ruined. So I took in the scenery, enjoyed the view, and then started hiking back. So wet here, I think I'm going to take off my camera. Take a picture. I had to take a picture behind the rock. And you probably can't hear me. On the way down, I came across these roots, exposed roots from the pine trees. They just looked really interesting, the way they were coming out of the ground in the shadows. So I thought this would be a good photograph. So I set the camera and tripod up, and I got this photograph. We hiked back down the mountain until we got to the road, and we thought we would hike up the road a bit to get further up the mountain to see what was at the top. We walked for a mile or two until the forest opened up into this sort of alpine meadow with a stream running through it. And you had all these little farmhouses sort of spread out throughout the little valley. It was amazing. It was a beautiful place. There's a really small church just on the other side of the stream. It's almost like a little Wendy house or a doll's house. Well, I think I got some good photos. The waterfalls were amazing, spectacular. The scenery here is just unbelievable. If you like these videos, please subscribe. If you'd like to leave a comment, leave them below. And until next time, I will see you later.